Hi, this is Elizabeth Paijo, and I'm so excited to invite you to our next 2-week program. This will be our Chinese New Year program, and it's about unity. Chinese New Year is January 29th, and we're going to prepare with 2 sessions before January 29th on how to achieve the biggest lesson of 2025, Year of the Wood Snake. If you've been watching my classes, if you've been attending my free sessions, you know that the Year of the Wood Snake is the Year of Unity. The highest form of wisdom in ancient China is unity, and the snake represents wisdom in many cultures, including ancient Chinese cultures. So I want to invite you to a 2-session program called Finding Unity. I haven't been this excited about a program in a long time because we're going to take the roadblocks away to your unity with yourself, your body, your emotions, your values, and other people. And there's a lot of roadblocks we have toward harmony and unity with other people. The goal of this program is that you feel stronger. A snake sheds its skin again and again to find more harmony with itself and more harmony with others. This is what's inspiring this class. So we'll do the meditations you need to do to find that harmony. You'll understand, where do ancestors come in, where do parents come in, where do friends come in, where do coworkers come in, where do I come in building this unity, and what are meditation practices to really make a shift so that I can wake up and feel unity with myself and unity in connection with others. In our time, we're pretending like community is not really important, and like spending time with friends isn't really important, and that connecting to ourselves isn't really important. All that's important is the work we do. This program will change this mindset in you, and it will also show you how to change that, because it's not just like a quick shift. There are practices to do that to make it easier, and it's also very rewarding to find more unity. One person, yes, one person is mighty and one person is powerful. One person is like a river flowing, but imagine if 1,000 more rivers join into your river that's flowing. And that is possible once you connect to ancestors, once you have other people on your side, once you build unity. It's like in your river, going towards your intentions, you get 1,000 other rivers. And even if there's roadblocks, you don't notice them as much. So that's the kind of unity I want you to build. A unity with the world itself also. When we have an appreciation for reality, when we say, reality, I want to be friends with you. Universe, let's be friends. Universe, I accept you for all that you give me. That is a very deep letting go that is very wise. It's the ability to be in your present reality. When you have respect toward the world, when you love the world, when you contribute to the world offers you so much more. So it's not only a question of unity with people, ancestors, and yourself, it's also a kind of unity with the universe and the divine, and being in the rhythm of the universe. So we're going to do all of that in this program. I hope you join. Self-compassion is a very important piece of it. When you know what you genuinely want to be well, you can have a unity with yourself. So we'll start by serving the body, serving your inner world. And when you are serving your body and serving your inner world, it is so much easier to find unity with other people and with the whole world. So this year, the affirmation is, I'm on my own side, I'm on my family's side, I'm on my ancestors' side, I'm open to friendship, and universe, reality, I want to be friends with you. Universe, I want to collaborate with you. And whatever resonates with me, where I feel that unity, I'm going to say yes. And the things that I want to achieve, I'm going to think of how can other people help me achieve that. In this program that's coming up, the link is below to register, you'll see all the reasons we have tension to collaboration, roadblocks to collaboration, and how we can respect ourselves more, be so self-compassionate that we don't have that resistance, that fear of relationships, deep collaborations. When you have a certain level of understanding what is comfortable for you and understanding your own boundaries, you're not afraid of unity with other people. So unity with yourself is a prerequisite for unity with other people, and that's a prerequisite toward unity with the world. Unity is what gives us energy. The opposite of unity takes away energy. So unity practice is also practice for more energy in your body. So I hope your heart is ready for unity with others, with yourself, with family, with the divine, with the world. That's what we're going to do on our short 2-session program, but it will be so impactful. I can't wait to give this to you, and I'll see you there. And if I can't see you there live, you'll see me through recordings delivering it. And I wish you a really wonderful ancient Chinese New Year, a really wonderful year, and let me know how I can keep being there for you.